Part 1. Beginner level getting started. Open Minecraft and click single player, then create new world. Choose survival mode to start with basic gameplay. Name your world and click create. Use WASD to move, space to jump and shift to sneak. Use the mouse to look around and left click to break blocks. Right click to place items or interact. Punch trees to collect wood. Craft wooden tools using the crafting table. You need 4 planks to make a crafting table. Collect food by killing animals or gathering berries and apples. Make a shelter by digging into a hill or building with blocks. Alright, here are some first night tips. Create a wooden sword and pickaxe, then make a furnace using 8 cobblestone. Light up your area with torches using coal and a stick, and, avoid mobs like zombies, skeletons, and creepers at night. Now let's move on to the intermediate level and start expanding your world. When it comes to mining and ores, dig down carefully to levels 11 or 12 for diamonds. Collect iron, coal, redstone, gold, and lapis lazuli. And remember, use an iron pickaxe to mine diamonds and redstone. Alright, let's get into farming and food. First, make a hoe and start a wheat farm near water. It's pretty simple. Next, breed animals like cows, chickens, and pigs for sustainable food. This will ensure you always have something to eat. Now let's talk about crafting and enchanting. First, build an enchantment table using books, obsidian, and diamonds. Collect experience points by mining, killing mobs, or smelting. Finally, enchant your gear to gain advantages like efficiency or protection. Trust me, it's worth it. Moving on to exploring and building. Begin by building a real base with chests, furnaces, and storage rooms. Then, set out to explore villages, desert temples, and mine shafts. Don't forget to trade with villagers for useful items. It's all part of the adventure. Part 3. Advanced level master the game. Nether and End dimensions. Build a nether portal, obsidian plus flint and steel. In the nether, find blaze rods, nether wart, and fortresses. Combine blaze powder with ender pearls to make eyes of ender. Potions in combat are essential for survival. Brew potions with a brewing stand and nether ingredients. Some of the best potions include strength, regeneration, and fire resistance. And when you're ready, you can fight bosses like the Wither and Ender Dragon. Redstone and automation open up a world of possibilities. Learn basic redstone circuits like buttons, levers, and pistons. You can automate farms for sugarcane, melon, or even iron golems. And don't forget, you can create a mob grinder or XP farm for endless resources. Building mega projects can be incredibly rewarding. Think about constructing sky bases, underwater cities, giant statues, or even adventure maps. You can use creative mode or survival depending on the challenge you want. Here are a few bonus tips to enhance your gameplay. Use shulker boxes and ender chests for better storage. If you're on Java Edition, use Optifine for better graphics and performance. And always remember to back up your worlds regularly. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep our channel growing. Thanks.